Welcome to Database Service Comparison based on AWS Solutions Architect Associate Topics by ABLead. We offer microservice introductions, exam question explanations, and practicing of a real exam. SQL or no SQL service? That's the question. For SQL, the answer is simple with RDS or Aurora Relational Databases and the Redshift Data Warehouse. Note, however, that these services can also handle a bit of JSON documents. RDS is a standardized service on its instance with 5 optional SQL database engines, and Aurora is one of them. It offers a serverless option with higher SQL performance and scalability at a higher costs. And for very large data analytics at moderate costs, you use the Redshift Data Warehouse instance clusters. In contrast, DynamoDB is a highly flexible and scalable serverless NoSQL database for modern apps. As you can see in the NoSQL example, with one key value you can get any unstructured data in a data string or its JSON document. With it, you can change, for example, prices on e-commerce websites in real time. Not as fast as SQL queries, as they are strictly structured with Excel-like table column and row addresses. But which of the 4 services should you choose? Hold on a minute. If you like this channel and its free content to continue, please subscribe it on the right bottom button. But which of the 4 main AWS services should you choose? For SQL, the answer is simple with RDS or Aurora Relational Databases and the Redshift Data Warehouse. RDS is a standardized service on a single instance with 7 optional SQL database engines, and Aurora provides 2 of them. The Aurora instances are organized in clusters and connected with an additional distributed storage cluster. All of this gives you higher global SQL performance and scalability also for modern global apps. Similar, Redshift Data Warehouse instances are also organized in clusters for very large data analytics such as business intelligence at moderate costs. In contrast, DynamoDB is a highly flexible and scalable serverless NoSQL database for modern serverless apps with multimedia. You, as an architect, know what makes the difference. Whereas Redshift offers you the largest tables and clusters, DynamoDB table and items are limited and smallest in size. Small and hefty comes to mind with DynamoDB's highest availability and extreme scalability like Redshift. For such a case, you don't choose RDS. And when it comes to throughput and latency, remember to consider Aurora and the fast processing of DynamoDB. This isn't really a domain of Redshift, as it covers really large data solutions in many variants with multiple performance options. Altogether, if costs but not size is your preference, architect with DynamoDB instead of the costly Aurora. With the understanding of these relevant database services, you are ready now for more details.